Hello my dear YouTube viewers and subscribers. You are welcome to my channel Nasuri Shibalaula at shibalaura.com. So today I'll be taking you through a tutorial on how to use the Google Meet. So the Google Meet is very important for different occasions and various importances. You can use it to communicate and carry out different meetings in various places with people you cannot connect to physically, but you're able to pass your information to them. So you come here to your Google account. You tap in your Google account. As I told you through all my tutorials, to use this you should be connected to an internet source. Come here to our Google Apps. You search for we are going to search for our Google Meet. So you come here, scroll down here through the apps we have. So we search for our Google Meets. This is Google Meet. So we tap on it, you double click, you wait as it is loading. So as I was telling you, Google Meet will help in so many various and different ways. Help you handle your social problems. You can use it to call somebody personally. It involves basically video calling and video chatting. And here we are on our Google Meet. So on Google Meet, we can have a new meeting, or we can enter a code or a link to join a meeting which is already taking place or in progress. So here with your Google Meet, you have to know first of all that. So you come here, your meeting is safe. When you come here, you get a link you can share. Then you click to your new meeting. So you can send it to people you want to meet with on the Google Meet. Next, what you can use it for, you can plan ahead. So you can click your new meeting to schedule meetings in the Google Calendar and sends you invites, and it sends the invites to the participants who will be taking place in your meeting. Then you have to know that your meeting is safe. No one can join the meeting unless they're invited or admitted by the host, and you are the host. So here we continue. So when we join our Google Meet, after all that, we can come here. When you click on it, they will show you how you can create a meeting for later, for your later purpose. So you can, when you reach here, they will give you, of course, the link you can share to the various people you want to join the meeting in with. And once it's shared, they are the only people who can access your meeting. So you are the host, you choose on whom you want to send to join the meeting. So here we have an instant meeting. So if it is an instant meeting, then it means it's going through and you can easily join into it. So here it is loading, still trying to get in, and there we go. You either allow your microphone and camera to join in, or you can join the meeting without having the microphone on. Probably that means you won't be able to speak something in the meeting for others to hear you. But if you have your camera on, it means you'll be hiding your identity and nobody will be able to notice where you are and what you are doing at that moment. Then we have what we call the schedule. You can schedule your meeting in the Google Calendar. So when you have it scheduled in the Google Calendar, that means at that date you will send an email as a reminder to remind you on when the meeting will be. So because you can manage your Google Meet calls. So here you can add in the location of where the meeting will be or where you will be. So the location you can have in as Gulu. So you can have it as Gulu. It can be Gulu Dining. This is the Mia Street. So you can take that, which is also fine. that's not what we need. So come back here to allocations, we type in the place. So we have one of our options, we have Gulu, Uganda. So the meeting will be in Gulu, Uganda, but your host might be in different places. You can type in the minutes it will take. We can have 20, 29, how long it will take. The 29 are in minutes, so we leave it here at minutes. Then when we are done with everything, we check the time zone, everything is fine. You can go through all, close this. So you can add the guests from here, the guests you want to attend the meeting. That's all. So when you have this added to your Google Calendar, you will have an email there you save. So the event is already saved. You either delete it or leave it, since we need to be reminded, so we shall leave it there in our calendar. So that's how the Google Meet works. You can invite here others to join your meeting, or you can even see the guest list on the people you have already invited. So in our calendar it will be fixed there. We shall have it on 30th, which is September. You know, it's the last day of October, so you can even choose here another date in which you want to have the meeting. So the timelines are here. You choose the time in which the meeting will be taking place. Is it about you? Is it a birthday? Is it a text or a task? So you'll be reminded by our Google Meet calendar. So that will be all we are having about Google Meet. Kindly, you're welcome to my channel. I would like you continue to view more tutorials on how to use your PC to simplify work. Then I'll be uploading more tutorials on various and different operations of using your PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.